We're glad you discovered Best Buyers Listing Service, the most successful free way for buyers, sellers, and real estate agents to come together for that perfect transaction. Now, for the first time, you can find the perfect home by having sellers find you. No more scouring the internet or multiple listings or real estate websites to find the home of your dreams. Save time and effort by using this simple and efficient tool. How does it work? Easy. For buyers looking for that ideal home, simply select a neighborhood, fill in the required fields, add a comprehensive description of your new dream home, and it's immediately available for sellers to view. Buyers, to review or edit your posting, create an account by clicking the Login Register link. Simply fill in the small form from the top of the page to become a member. Sellers and real estate agents create an account and log in to start your search. Sellers, chances are your home is the exact property someone is looking to buy. When you've found that perfect homes wanted post, click the Read More button. You can then open a dialogue with a prospective buyer by emailing them a description of your home, including property details and up to 10 photos of the property. It's that easy. Buyers, keep an eye out in your inbox for responses from sellers who have a property that matches your needs. Responses will be sent from the bestbls.com email address. The seller's email address will be in the body of the message so you may reply directly to them. Remember, the perfect home is out there. Just ask for it today on Best Buyers Listing Service.